Hi, my name is Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a MailChimp certified partner. We can use email marketing very effectively to identify prospects from a list of leads. Let me take you across to MailChimp and show you how this is done. You'll notice that I'm in my audience of MailChimp at the moment. My audience is where my people, my contacts are kept. This contact rating is what we're concerned with. Whenever we add a lead or a new person into MailChimp, they're added as a 2-star contact rating. As we send more email marketing and as the contact opens or clicks our emails, the further they go up, 3, 4 or 5. That stands to reason, therefore, that when we add a contact, for example, as a 2-star, they're a lead, but as they go up to 3, they're engaged with our marketing, even 4 or 5. Therefore, they're a prospect. So we can create a segment of those people in MailChimp, those people that are 3, 4 or 5, that will help identify our prospects. So what we would do is add our leads into our MailChimp audience. In other words, then they 2-star. We would send an email or a number of emails to those people. And then as they go up to a 3, 4 or 5 contact rating, they're our prospects. Let me show you how we can create a segment to identify the prospects from our entire audience. So all we're looking for here is in the contact rating field, we're looking for a star rating above 2 or a 3, 4 or 5, and that'll identify all people that have moved from being 2-star to 3-star. In other words, moved from being leads to prospects. So we would go new segment. We'll look for our column called contact rating. So where our contact rating is, but let's go for is greater than 2, preview segment, and there all my people are. There we go. There all my people are. There all my prospects are. My contact rating is above 3. I could then save this segment and send further emails to them. In other words, I can then identify my prospects versus my leads. I hope that helped. Thanks for joining me.